This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're looking at this product from Vipek. This is their R4 clothes rack that comes with wheels. So that's really nice if you want something to roll around clothes rack wise. This right here would work very well. These Vipek racks are built pretty well for what they are. They're very easy to assemble as well. And this one right here, you can configure all different types of ways. They give you two recommended configurations in the manual. The configuration that I did was 3 shelves on one side and then 1 shelf on the other side. You could do, the other recommended one that they say that you could do is 2 and 2. So 2 lower ones on this side, 2 upper ones on this side. And then obviously you have your bottom shelf and your top shelf running all the way across, as well as the clothes racks that will just slide and fall right into place right there. This is 78 inches tall, 6'6", it's 16.5 inches deep, and 45 inches wide, so that you know measuring wise what you might need for it. I'm going to show you a few of the assembly steps and tips before we demonstrate it and throw some clothes and some items on it, just so you can get an idea of how much this Vipek garment rack can hold, and we'll do that next. So here's the first part of the assembly process. You gotta get the bottom tier down, screw the wheels on first, and then put the little plastic clips in. The logo, the Vipek logo, will show you what part of the shelf goes on the bottom, because the logo will be sticking upright. And then you put the plastic clips, make sure they're on the same rung everywhere, and slide the bottom shelf down, which goes all the way across. And then depending on the style of shelf that the style that you're going to put it together in the instruction manual, because there's 2 styles, depends on where you're going to put the shelves at. So this style, I'm putting 2 shelves before I put the top piece on right here. So I'm going to screw the top pieces on, screw the rest of the shelves on, and then the little clothes racks and stuff as well. I'll show you the completed assembly process here next. So there we go, guys. It's actually tall enough where I can't really get it fully in the frame, but there's the top of it, and if we tilt down, there's the bottom of it with the wheels. So it's pretty easy overall to finish the assembly process of this. I'll tilt up so that you can see it a little bit better. You just have the racks up top here that'll just slide in after you screw the little mounts into the rods. And then when you get the secondary pieces on, for this setup, there's one more shelf that goes here, and then you put this shelf here before you put the full top shelf on. And then you just use the plastic clips, make sure all the clips are kind of in the same area so you don't have lopsided shelves and things like that. And then just push them down and then you're good to go. It doesn't really take too long to assemble these, maybe 20 minutes. But as you can see, it is fully assembled. What I'm going to do here next, though, is I'm going to put some clothes onto it so that you can see how much this rack can hold. There we go, guys. So just to stage it up a little bit, I'll show you all a little bit closer here before we wrap everything up. But if we look, so these shelves, again, you can put these shelves as low or as high, as little or as much gap as you want to if you need more room for clothes. I just kind of staged it up like one of the scenarios that they have in the instruction manual, just to have a good idea. And overall, everything looks good with it. Got everything hanging on the clothes rack. Lots of shirts, lots of pairs of pants as well there, some shoes, some shorts, some more shoes, and then we've still got more room up top here that we can put some items and stuff on as well. So as you can see, this rack is one of the smaller racks I've tested from Vipek, but it gives you a lot of space for you to store things with, which is really, really nice. If you have, a decent sized area, this thing is still probably about, 5 feet wide or so, and every bit of 6.5 to 7 feet tall, and you're gonna have plenty of room to put whatever you want to on this. If you don't have a closet, but want to turn maybe your room into a closet room, but not build out a bunch of shelves and stuff like that, then, get one of these. You have a portable wardrobe that's on wheels, and the wheels are locking wheels as well, so you can just lock it down. And your rack is sturdy and it's not going to move anywhere. So really, really good benefits. Make it portable. It's easy to put up. Holds a lot of stuff, and that's really what you need when it comes to one of these. So hopefully this review is helpful and informative to you. These Vipek garment racks, I've had quite a few of them, and they are easy to assemble, easy to use, and seem to hold up pretty well for what they are also. Thanks again for watching this product review. I do hope that y'all found it helpful and informative. If you're looking for a portable wardrobe to store clothes, boxes, other things, this right here should do exactly what you need it to. Thanks again, and I will catch y'all on the next product review.